This is the fifth play that was on the sheets, and the way this play is set up is a 1-3-1 formation. So you'll see we've got our guys 3 across the free throw line, 1 at the back, 1 at the front. So what'll happen is our point guard brings the ball down the court, and they're going to pass the ball to player number 2. And what this does is this sets up the defense. So the defense now is going to shift. Bandit 1 is going to come out here. Bandit 2 is going to come over to here. 4 is probably going to come out a little bit. I'm sorry, 3 is probably going to come out a little bit. 5 is going to come over, and 4 is going to come over a little bit. So the defense is all going to shift, and that's what starts this whole thing happening. So once the defense shifts, we'll move on to the second option. Once the defense shifts, the ball starts right here with 2, and 2 is going to pass the ball back to 1. As this ball is being passed to 1, player 5 is going to shift up and set a blindside screen on Bandit 2 there. And as this is happening, player number 3 is going to slide on down here to the corner position. Player 4 is going to sweep along the baseline and try to find a hole in the defense, and they're going to post up somewhere. And this is what sets our play in motion. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at what our options are. So 1's got the ball. So what we want 1 to do is to use the screen that 5 just set and break hard to the center. Now once player 1 gets to the center, they have about 3 options. They have an option to either shoot the ball. If 5 or 4 for the Bandit side doesn't come up to defend them, just go ahead and shoot the ball. If, let's say, 4 jumps across, let's say 4 comes across to defend, then it's a quick pass out to 3 for an easy 3-pointer. If 5 comes up to defend, then it's a bounce pass to 4 for a baseline layup. Either way, we should have 1 of 3 open shots there to score pretty easily.